Hello student. Now today we shall be continuing with our exercise 6.3. In that question number 4, the whole question is basically regarding how to find the square. How to find the square root of a square by prime factorization. सबको factor निकालना prime factor निकालना है, and with the help of that we need to find the square root. सबसे पहले 729, as you know 729 को कराया था बेटा, this is square of 27. कि अब स्क्वायर रूट कैसे आएगा इनको फाइंड करना है. चलो 7 to 9. Now the 9 है unit digit में, that means this is not divisible by 2 because the unit digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. उन पांच में से नहीं है. Now go with 3. First we add the three numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 thus comes the table of 3. चलो 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 becomes 1. 1 carry करो. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 से 3. दोनों साथ में 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. वापस से 81 as you know 81 आता है 3 के में. 8 the 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 carry that. Now 3 7 is 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. Okay. Now square है बेटा, square root है, तो square यानी 2 2 के ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. 2 2 के ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. एक ग्रुप बनाए, दूसरा ग्रुप बनाए, तीसरा ग्रुप. 3 square 3 square 3 square square का root 2 का 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27 is the square root of 729. Same way for 400. You will look at 400 is what? इसका square root है 220. Okay. 400 easy है 220. 2 2s are 4. 0 0s are 200s are 250s are 225s are 5 5 and 5 1s are 2 का square and 5 का square. Square का 2 का 2 is 4 4 is 6. Next 1764 4 है वापस divisible. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry over 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 है 2 से possible है 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are. Now it is not possible with 4 4 1 is not possible with 2, so go with 3. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 9 है and 3 से divisible है, 3 के डिविजन में आता है, so go for 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Okay, 3 7 is 21. वापस से 3 से करो. 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 3 9s are 27. 7 7 is 7 1s are. So 2 square 3 square 7 square 2 3 is 6 6 is 42 is the square root. 4096. 6 is 2 0 2 2s are 4 2 0s are 2 4s are 8 9 minus 8 is 1 2 is 16 2 1s are 2 2 0s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 2s are 4 5 minus 4 is 1 1 10. 2 5s are 10 children. वापस से एक ज्यादा है तो वापस 1 कैरी कर. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 5 plus 4 is 1 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12 2 4s are 8 2 3s are 6 2 2s are 4 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 plus square 2 plus square 2 plus square 2 square 2 square 2 square 6 times 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 2 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 2s are 32 and 32 2s are 64. Okay, so बड़ा बड़ा है square. 7744 ये भी 2 से करें होगा. 2 3s are 6. 7 6 is 1. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16 is 1 again. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Opposite 2 7 2 1s are again 2 है का 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 4 is 1. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6. 7 6 is 1 again. 2 6s are 12. Again 6 है तो बेटा 2 से 8 हो. 2 9s are 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. 2 6s are 12. 30 minus 12 is 1 again. 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. छोटे से उसमें क्या है 2 8 are 16 and 2 4s are 8 वापस है 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 1s are now 11 का स्क्वायर है 121 तो 11 11s are 121 11s are 11 2 square 2 square 2 square 3 times multiply by 11 square 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 11 is 88 same here for the next one 9604 4 है तो 2 4 are 8 9 minus 6 is 1 2 8 are 16 2 0 are 2 2 are 2 2 are 4 2 4 are 8 2 0 are 2 1 are okay now not possible to 3 से try करो 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7 7 doesn't come to the number से तो 3 से भी possible नहीं है 5 से भी possible नहीं है क्यों because 5 होना चाहिए तो 0 होना चाहिए so 5 से भी possible नहीं है go with 7 now 7 3 is 21 24 minus 21 कितना होता है 3 7 4 is 28 38 30 minus 20 is 2 again 21 आता है 7 के में 7 3 is 21 okay 7 3 is 21 okay 3 carry करो 7 4 is 28 30 minus 20 is 2 again okay so children keep this in mind 3 4 7 7 4 are 28 34 minus 26 60 plus 100 of 7 7 9 is 16 3 okay 7 7 are 49 and 7 are 7 so 2 square 7 square and 7 square 2 7 are 14 14 7 is 98 so 98 is the square root of 9604 next one 5929 short है simple है 2 से possible नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें 9 है 3 से possible होगा तो 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 2 is 16 16 plus 2 is 25 25 doesn't come to the level of 3 okay 5 से भी होगा 7 से 7 8 is what 15 6 15 minus 26 is 3 7 4 is 28 32 minus 20 is 4 7 7 is 49 over 7 से try करो 7 1 is 7 1 carry 7 2 is 14 7 is 11 11 is 11 तो 7 square 11 square 7 11 is 77 का स्क्वायर रूट है ओके 599 916 थोड़ा लंबा है 6 से तो 2 से 2 4 is 8 1 carry 2 6 are 12 okay 2 4 are 8 1 carry 2 6 are 12 now 16 है मेरे सामने लेना है 16 आता है so what we do okay to fill the gap of tens we need to put a 0 we need to put a 0 2 8 are 16 कितने जाएगा 1 कितने भी कांस्टेंट नंबर का फॉर्म हो बेटा okay because 4 16 is never time to 1 6 it should be 0 here 2 2s are 4 now 2 3s are 6 2 0s are 2 4s are 2 1s are again 2 1s are 1 carry 2 5s are 10 2 2s are 4 2 है 2 5s are 10 1 carry again 2 7s are 14 okay वापस 1 carry 2 6s are 12 2 2s are 4 वापस 1 carry 2 is 16 वापस 1 carry 2 is 16 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 8 2 70 2s are 2 26 are 2 3s are 6 1 carry बेटा 2 6s are 12 2 18s are 2 9s are बराबर 3 से 3 के टेबल में आप बेटा 9 तक 3 3s are 9 3 1s are so 1 2 3 4 and 5 squares of 2 and 3 का 1 so 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 to 16 okay 16 to the 32 and 32 3 is 96 next 529 जो हमको पता है कि स्क्वायर ऑफ 23 और कोई टेबल में आ गया है कि नहीं वो बेटा पॉसिबल नहीं है because 23 is itself a prime number so 23 28 is 23 1 23 का स्क्वायर है 529 last is 100 ओके 0 है तो दूसरा स्टार्ट करो 2 4 5 ओके अब यहाँ पे 10 है ओके यहाँ पे बेटा 10 को 0 रख लो बेटा क्योंकि 10 की वैल्यू बढ़नी है 2 5 are 10 and 2 zeros are 2 2s are 4 2 zeros are 2 2s are 4 1 carry again 2 5s are 10 अब यहाँ पे बेटा 5 है तो 2 से तो पॉसिबल नहीं है 3 से ट्राई करो 2 plus 2 is 4 4 plus 5 is 9 9 3 के जो आता है that means it is divided by 3 3 6 are 18 28 is 2 3 7 are 21 22 minus 21 is 1. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 6. 1 carry. 3 5s are 15. 3 7 are 21. 22 minus 21 is 1. 3 5s are 15. 3 25s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. So 2 square, 3 square, 2 square and 5 square. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 8. 5 is 90 is the square root of 8100. So here we finish our today's session. Okay children, next session we'll see question 5 6. Bye bye.